Hi, I'm Stanley Kim. Welcome to the Tulip Experience Center. In this demo, I'll show you how Tulip enables human-guided quality inspection and complete end-to-end traceability for every bottle produced on our continuous manufacturing demo. At the end of the line, bottles move on to the inspection station. On the home screen, operators can see the active batch and how many inspections are required to validate it. This ensures that the operator clearly understands the quality requirements for the current batch. Each bottle is scanned using a Zebra FS80 scanner as it exits the line. The unique bottle ID is immediately added to the active batch inside Tulip. Within Tulip tables, each bottle is fully contextualized with batch ID, timestamp, torque data, sensor readings, and inspection results. This creates complete digital genealogy for every unit. At the inspection station, the operator selects a bottle for inspection. Tulip then guides them through a standardized validation procedure displayed directly on the screen. This ensures consistency across operators and eliminates variation in the inspection process. Once the required number of inspections has been completed, the entire batch is validated and ready for shipping. This prevents premature batch release and ensures compliance before the product moves downstream. With Tulip, quality inspection becomes structured, traceable, and fully connected to production data. The result is stronger quality assurance, faster investigations, and complete confidence in every batch produced.